Hey guys, let's just unbox this PS5 controller that I got from Amazon. I got it on blue. You can get on different colors, right? So super simple, just remove here from the box. There we go. And here's the controller. There we go, pretty nice. Okay. And it comes here with some paperwork, some documentation, instructions. And there's nothing else here, right? Only the box. So you see, pretty nice. I got on this blue color. You can get on different colors. So we have here the traditional joystick here and here. There's a symbol that indicates audio, right? The microphone just right here. Here's an LED. Also here a speaker and the buttons here and here, and the indication here is different now compared to the PS4, right? Then you have the L1, R1, L2, R2. There we go, pretty nice. And let's just compare here with the PS4 controller that I have. You see here, right? They're kind of similar. The left one here is my daughter's controller. And you see that's for PS4. The buttons are a little bit different. You see here, the indication is here on the side, and here is on the top of the button, right? But they are pretty similar. The way to charge is similar, but this one has USB-C, which is much better compared to the PS4. Easier to charge, right? But the rest are pretty similar, okay? And if I try to just turn it on, it flashes 3 times. You see it? I need to charge it, right? So I just need to come here. For example, I can use a power bank with the USB-C cable now, which is much better compared to the previous version. So I just put it here and it starts charging. You see here, the amber color now with the lights. So it's working and it's good, right? So I'll leave it charging here and later I can turn it on. So that's a quick unboxing of this PS5 controller. You can get yours on Amazon. And if you like this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.